Now, this tutorial is not be about Blender, but I've got Blender open so I can show you Blender Ron's sister, Blender Allison. So very similar, got all the same limbs and everything like that. Bit change in shape, same material on them, but a different material on the body, Ali body. So I've saved this, and if I save it in the same folder, Mr. Just Getting Started, Assets, Blender Allison, it will show up inside the Assets folder of my game. So you see, hold on, Blender Allison, blend, importing, there we go. So let's put Blender Allison in, and well, it's not right. Blender Allison, it's got the mouth, eyes, pupils, arms the same, but the body is not the right color. But when you get something from Blender and you've got materials on it, the materials go into here. Because it's got exactly the same material as Blender Ron, so for the eye, it's still eye, limbs, still limbs, lips and pupils, it's taken that information. So let's have a look at Blender Allison. See, if we go for left arm, it says limbs shader. It's this material, left eye. But body has got Ali body. And when you first move in, the material does not match what's in Blender because it doesn't use the same kind of rendering engine. Instead, what you need to do is go to the materials in Unity and actually change them to whatever you would like. So if you want it to be bluey color, you do that and it matches. If you'd like to do it as a picture, so for instance, I thought, right, we want her to be lava. What you can do, make sure you've got the asset down here, and then you need to make sure you've got this here. You can just drag it into this little picture box, and then she would be lava. The reason she's not is we've not UV unwrapped her, which is a different tutorial again on Blender, but you can put specific textures onto it if it's unwrapped properly, and it will match, it will look correct. Don't want that one on, so let's remove that. Make her a purpley, mauvey, bluey sort of colour. So there we go. It's as simple as creating something in Blender with different materials that are named, and then giving a specific colour or metallicness, so you can make it nice and metallic inside Unity itself. But remember, if you want it to wrap around the shape properly, you need to do UV unwrapping, which is a Blender skill.